Hello everybody, and welcome back to the garage. Hello from Kieran and from me.
And face pointing.
Yeah, it is a cold day here in sunny Yorkshire. It is sunny. Yeah. It's can't really see,
but blue skies.
But it is a sunny day here in Yorkshire. But it is absolutely freezing. It's about -2 degrees. We're kind of shivering, but we are out in the garage anyway because we had a question relating to the Suzuki address 110, which is there.
Down here.
And the question was about installing a mobile phone holder, a cell phone holder, if you want to call it that, with the charger. And I'm not sure if our viewer, which was Kathleen, hi Kathleen, knew this, but I do have one attached to the bike already. So we're just going to quickly explain how I did that, so that you can go ahead and do it yourself. So we'll have a look at that now. Right, this is the phone charger that I have. It's one of these types that does this. I bought it from Amazon. It was about 17 or 18 pounds in the UK. It has a USB slot there, and the power goes over there, which we'll have a look at in a moment. There is a switch just in there, I'm not sure if you can see it, so that you can turn this thing on and off so that you don't drain the power. And because it has a switch, which I can switch off and not drain the power, this is connected directly to the battery. I've had this on here for about, I don't know, 9 months maybe, something like that, and I've not drained the battery yet, so I'm happy with it so far. In terms of its connections then, you can see it comes with this this bracket here, and that is attached underneath the wing mirror. So it's just a case of removing the wing mirror. This was over the top. I've just moved that. Detach this. This is 14mm. Once that's off, you can just put the bracket in the middle and tighten it back down. So that's really self-explanatory. The wire comes off the side of the unit, and what I've done is I've zip tied it here to the bracket. And then it goes down through there, and it pops out at the bottom here, where it's again zip tied onto this pre-existing throttle cable, and again zip tied down there. It disappears down into that hole
and reappears.
And reappears there. And then it's just a case of finding somewhere for the wires to live. This is a bit messy, I've kind of done this in a rush, and attaching it to the battery posts. There are some more wires there which are for this extremely loud alarm which I have. So with the alarm and the phone holder connected, I've not managed to drain the battery, so I think it should be alright with just the phone holder. And that is more or less it. The only thing to remember is to perhaps turn it off at the switch, so you don't drain your battery if you're leaving the bike for a while.
But what was the reason that you chose to leave it connected to the battery, John?
That's a very good question, Kieran, and I'll answer that now. I chose to put this directly to the battery rather than to the ignition, so that if I was stopped, if we were camping, anything like that, I could attach the phone and get a little bit of charge from my phone without having to have the bike running. Obviously, yes, there is a risk of flattening the battery. That is my choice. There is also a Kickstarter on this bike, so I wasn't overly worried, but that's the reason that I did that. Excellent question, Kieran, thanks for that. Do you have any other questions there?
There probably was something that we thought about earlier. But
yeah. Okay, well, we can't think of any more questions right now. So that's basically that, and hopefully that was helpful. If you need, by the way, to know how to get that front panel off, we do already have a video up on our channel explaining how to do that. And there's the dog barking. Be quiet! Come here. Come on. Say hi to our viewer. Oh, hi viewer, how's it going? Yeah, not bad. Cool. Right, well, we'll leave it there. So that was a jabbery little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!